In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a sales pipeline in Pipedrive. At the end of this video, you'll have a clean, customized pipeline that mirrors your sales process and gives you better visibility into what's moving and what's stuck. Start by heading to the Deals section from the left-hand sidebar. This is your central hub for managing opportunities. You'll land on a default pipeline that Pipedrive provides. It's helpful for getting started, but to make the tool work for you, we'll create a new one tailored to your workflow. Don't worry, the default pipeline stays intact. We're simply adding a fresh pipeline that matches your process. Look to the top right and open the Pipeline menu, then select New Pipeline. This opens the setup area where you can begin shaping your pipeline. Think of each stage as a clear checkpoint that your deals pass through, from first contact to signed agreement. The goal is to make these stages reflect how your team actually sells, so everyone knows exactly where each deal stands. Now add or remove stages as needed. Keep it simple and intentional. Too many stages can create noise, too few can hide important handoffs. Consider the steps you consistently take, such as initial outreach, qualification, proposal, negotiation, and won or lost. If a stage doesn't serve a distinct purpose, it probably isn't needed. You can always adjust later as your process evolves. Next, rename each stage so they're crystal clear to your team. Use action-oriented, unambiguous names that match your internal language. Consistency is key here. Precise names reduce confusion and make reporting cleaner. If multiple people manage deals, align on naming conventions before you commit. You can also add probabilities and, if useful, set routing in days. Probabilities represent the likelihood of closing a deal at each stage and help forecast revenue. Start with realistic estimates based on past results and refine over time. Routing highlights deals that have sat untouched for too long, so you can spot bottlenecks and follow up before momentum fades. Choose timeframes that fit your typical sales cycle and buyer behavior. When you're satisfied, click Save in the top right to apply your changes. That's it. You've built a pipeline that matches your process, clarifies priorities, and surfaces risk early. From here, your team can move deals through stages with confidence, track progress at a glance, and make smarter decisions based on real data. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.